Hello guys, how are you today? How do you know it's damaged or not? Now first remove tire. Second, you need to remove this is a unit. Then after then, you know what I can do now? I will remove brake caliper. Then after then I have 4 bolts, one here, 2 down. Then after then you can, like this, it's already out. Then we can remove wheel bearing. See guys, I remove caliper, then I'll remove brake pad, then I'll remove this base of caliper. Then what will remain 4 bolt. Now I remove base. Now remove rotor. It's hot stuff. This rotor is gone. So now start remove this 4 bolt. After then, maybe easily I can remove wheel bearing. See? Maybe I will show you better. This is the wheel bearing, see? Then remove the sensor. You need 10 mm. But I do not broke. Okay. I did. So now I have to remove this bolt. Then that I did 4. Then I will use a screwdriver to remove this. Maybe if it's not get out. So now as you see, remove it. Let me show you. There's too many, see? Yes, I have new ones. Now I will put new one. Now I tied all this 4 bolt. Then I tied this the drum shaft bolt. So now what I need to do, return rotor, then base of caliper, and then caliper, and that's all you have to do it. Guys, I return base of caliper, then I put 2 new pads because I want to replace. I don't like that one anymore. So now I will return caliper to her. Then we done from this stuff.